Today we will learn about the Venus. Venus and Earth are similar in size, mass density, composition, and gravity. There, however, the similarities end. Venus is covered by a thick, rapidly spinning atmosphere, creating a scorched world with temperatures hot enough to melt lead and surface pressure 90 times that of Earth. Venus' atmosphere consists mainly of carbon dioxide, with clouds of sulfuric acid droplets. Only trace amounts of water have been detected in the atmosphere. The thick atmosphere traps the sun's heat, resulting in surface temperatures higher than 470 degrees Celsius, that is, 880 degrees Fahrenheit. Probes that have landed on Venus survived only a few hours before being destroyed by the incredible temperatures. Sulfur compounds are abundant in Venus clouds. The corrosive chemistry and dense, moving atmosphere cause significant surface weathering and erosion. The Venusian year, that is, orbital period, is about 225 Earth days long, while the planet's rotation period is 243 Earth days, making a Venus day about 117 Earth days long. Venus rotates retrograde, east to west, compared with Earth's prograde, west to east, rotation.
The exact date of Venus discovery is unknown, as this bright planet can be easily seen with the unaided eye. It was observed by ancient astronomers from different civilizations since the dawn of time. Thus, we don't know for sure who discovered Venus. However, Nicolaus Copernicus and Galileo Galilei are credited with the classification of Venus as a planet. The latter carried out the first accurate observation of Venus in 1610. Galileo viewed the planet through a telescope and discovered its phases, which are similar to the lunar ones. This discovery proved the Copernican theory that planets orbited the Sun and not vice versa. With a diameter of 12,104 kilometers, that is, 7,521 miles, this second closest planet to the Sun is slightly smaller than the Earth. Also, the mass of Venus is about 81% that of our planet. The rotation of Venus is very slow. It takes about 243 Earth days to spin around just once. Ironically, one Venusian day is longer than one Venusian year, as it takes Venus 225 Earth days to complete an orbit around the Sun. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. Its distance from our star is just over 70% the distance between Earth and the Sun. As Venus' elliptical orbit is the least eccentric of any of the planets, there is no significant difference between its closest, 107.4 million kilometers, and farthest, 108.9 million kilometers, points from the Sun. The average distance is 108.2 million kilometers, which is 67.2 million miles. It took NASA's Mariner 2 sent to Venus in 1962, and Venera 7 of the Soviet Union launched in 1970 less than 4 months to reach the planet. Due to the similarity in size and mass between Venus and the Earth, scientists believe that the planets share a similar interior. Venus is likely to have a crust, a rocky mantle, and a liquid core. However, the core might also be solid or even might not exist at all. The atmosphere of Venus consists of 96.5% carbon dioxide, 3.5% nitrogen, and traces of other gases. Thick clouds composed of sulfuric acid and water vapor cover the planet's surface and reflect about 70% of the sunlight that reaches Venus. That's why this planet is so bright. As Venus is closer to the Sun than the Earth, the Sun's glare outshines the planet most of the time. Nevertheless, it becomes visible for terrestrial observers at certain periods of time. The best time to see Venus is when the planet reaches its greatest elongation, or, in other words, greatest separation from the Sun, as seen from the Earth.